Hello and welcome to Sizabantu P2I Ltd. Today I'm going to show you how to create an HMI on a PLC CPU project. Okay, firstly I'll just open my previous program that I've done on the previous project. As you can see on the CPU, we are using a S7 1200 CPU is 1211C. This is the program. You can check on the previous PLC lessons. Just click on add a new device. These are the controllers. This is the previous step that we are doing to check for a CPU of our PLC. So it's the same process now. Just go to HMI. Schematic basic is just a basic panel, and that's the one that I have here. Then the canvas has more options, and then the mobile is the mobile one. The CI Plus is the one that is more used in the harsh condition or robust industry. So you check your article number, and then I always prefer to use the latest version. Then you check your description, compare it with your PLC that you have, with your HMI that you have, sorry. The start wizard, it's used to automatically set up everything. It gives you options to automatically set up your HMI, the buttons, the alarms. Okay, I will just show you an example of it, but I won't be using it for this project. I want us to set it up from scratch. I'll just cancel it at the later stage. For now, just want to show you how it works. So as you can see, it shows you it automatically does communication for you with the PLC. As you can see the PLC here, you can change your background color, date and time, and logo, and then the alarms where you wanna put your alarm. Then these are the screens. You can press there to add your screen. As you can see now, it's 2 screens added from the main screen. You can also on your system set up your system. These are the buttons. As you can see, you can press bottom or left or up, or even all of them where you wanna put your button. But we'll do all of this manually. I want us to do it all manual, so I'll cancel here. I say okay, but we can do it that way if you want to do it that way. You can just press finish there if you wanted to do it that way. As you can see now, we have added our HMI on our program. As you can see, we have KTP 700. This is the one that I have here with me. So this is our HMI. Those are the actual buttons on the HMI. So now what you're going to do, you're going to need to establish the communication between the HMI and the PLC, since we didn't do it that automatic way. So you just go to device configuration, and then as you can see, your PLC rack with your PLC. So now what do you need to do to go to network? Okay, as you can see, there is network. This one, it's only for network communication. It doesn't establish the communication between your PLC and your HMI. You still need to have to go and do the IP address configuration if you use the network. But with the connections, you don't need to do anything. If you establish your communication with connections, it automatically picks up gives the HMI a IP address. Because remember, you've got the IP address of the PLC CPU, and then you have a IP address of the HMI, since we are using Ethernet communication or I'll say Profinet communication protocol. Then I will show you here, go to properties just to show you that now it's automatically given our HMI IP address to establish the communication between the two, because the IP address shouldn't be the same, the last number of the IP. As you can see, the PLC, it already comes with the automatic IP address, which is 192.168.01. As you can see, it's given the HMI.02. So you've got the network, and then the last digit shouldn't be the same between the two HMIs. If you use the network, you'll have to go and establish a new IP address configure a new IP address for the HMI so that it's able to communicate with the PLC. So as you can see there, it's choosing X1. X1 is you will see it on the back of the HMI, the communication port for the Profinet. And also on the PLC, it's choosing X1 ports. So those are your ports and the type of communication, which is Profinet. This should always be online. This is the access point. For now, I'll leave that like that. We'll come back to it later. So we are done with the configuration, the communication between our HMI and the PLC. So this is how you just rename your screen. You can also add the screen there. You can see add new screen, but you'll go to it. For now, I want us to still work on the main screen because I want this to be a stage. I don't want the video to be too long. As you can see here, you can also change the background color. I like to keep the color dark at the back so that it's easier to work on it without hurting people's eye or not seeing things clear or colors clear. It's better when you have a darker background. You'll see what I'm saying as we start to program our buttons and everything, because this is how they judge you as a programmer. The HMI is one of the best things we need to be the best at. Okay, those are your basic objects, elements, your buttons and everything, and your controls. And these are the graphics. So this is all you will need. Yes. Thank you. Today's quiz will be: can the HMI and the PLC communicate if the IP address of your PLC and the HMI has the same last digit, which in this case will be 192.168.0.1. If both of them have the same IP address, will they be able to communicate? Thank you. Please watch the other videos and like and subscribe. See you on the following video.